Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set multiple timer on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you want to set multiple timer on your lock screen, so long press, successfully remove, and again long press to add widget to add another clock. I'm showing it to duplicate clock, press on done. Now add more clock. This one time and the another time. If you want to change to location, press on add. Okay, or if you want to add this in your home screen, long press to widget, select clock. Okay, showing it to more option to dual clock, press on to add. So one time to set another time. That's it.